Guineas and oats. That's what we're making this morning. Hope everyone is doing well. In Jamaica, them call it strong back. Back kind of weak, you know. The immune system kind of weak, make it go, you know. Drink some strong back. Guineas and oats right now. Simple, simple, simple. We got some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some vanilla. Obviously, we have some Guinness, some oats, no? And some condensed milk. Some ice. I want wicked ninja blender. Wicked. And that's all you need, man. I'm showing you how to do this right now. Real time. Ready and ready. First thing we're putting in there right now, some ice. Put some ice in there. Right? Put the Guinness in there. Nice. Make enough for 1 cup, you know? Like my cinnamon. One in there. Nutmeg. Yes, one in there. Oats. Nice and amazing. Right? Oh, let me get the vanilla in there. Vanilla. Alright. You don't want to go crazy with the vanilla. Right? I'll just sweeten them up right now. I'll just sweeten them up. Maybe I should have opened this a little bit more. Hold on, my people. Condensed milk. Beautiful. Right until you like it. Whatever you like. However you like it. Me, I'm going to put just maybe about a quarter of, not even a quarter of the can, about 1/8. I don't like mine too sweet. I like the Guinness taste. Alright? We're going to wrap that up right there. Right? Let's see if we can find the top now. Alright? Like this. Power on. I'll start that on low. I don't like mine over blended. Beautiful and nice. Yeah, that's perfect. Also, what I like to do, this is just me. I'll show you guys right now. Hold on. Beautiful. Nice. Perfect. Me, what I like to do, I just put a little bit of oats on top. Just a little bit. Perfect. So there you have it, guys. Guinness and oats. Right there. Right? Beautiful. Simple. Alright? Again, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Show me some love, and I show you guys love by making all these awesome videos. And I really appreciate you. Beautiful. You don't want to make it too sweet. You just want that nice it's borderline. Maybe it's, I don't know how to explain. It's just too good, you know. It's not sweet at all. It has no, I taste no sweetness, and that's how I like it. All right. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching this video. Let me go ahead and make some plantain feet with some boiled egg on. You know, want to kick off my morning. See you guys on the next video. Appreciate it.